storm has dramatically altered its course. It's likely to hit the southeastern coast of England later this afternoon.
You're all missing the point.
This storm and the tidal surge travelling with it will reach southeast England at high tide. The combined volume of water will overwhelm the Thames barrier.
Are you saying that central London is now at risk?
I'm afraid I am.
Take the family, get in the car, and get as far away from London as you can.
I'm declaring a state of emergency.
There's panic on an unprecedented scale.
What does this mean in terms of population?
Approximately 1.5 million people.
We have to get these people out of here.
This thing isn't over.
Are you saying we haven't seen the worst of it?
Could take out the rest of the city.
It's heading straight for us.
Run!